Hey guys, it's Katie here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we have a very special guest. I have a Jacqueline. She flew from San Francisco to be here. Well, not just for
just for her.
Not just for real reason. But we are doing a collab video today. We're gonna do an easy HIIT workout with some modifications, and Jacqueline has a crazy weight loss story. So I just want you guys to I just want you to tell a little bit about your story because it's so inspiring.
Yeah, so I'm Jacqueline. Hi everyone. And I always struggled with my weight, with my body, and my love and respect I had for myself. And in 2012, it got completely out of hand and I found myself weighing over 500 pounds. And so I decided I needed to change. I was not happy. I was not living my life. And so I set off on a journey. And as of today, I've lost over 350 pounds by just changing my diet, exercising. I'm going through skin removal, and I'm just kind of sharing my journey to help others learn, you know, it's never too late to live the life you've always wanted, to be yourself, and to live your happiest, healthiest life.
I freaking love that. So, first off, congratulations.
Thank you.
That is insane, amazing, guys, 300 pounds. I just want to know, what is the first, if you had to tell someone, if you had to go back to yourself in 2012, if someone is just starting on this journey, what would you first tell yourself back then, or what would you tell someone just starting, and how did you really, what were the first steps on that weight loss journey?
I think my biggest thing that I would tell someone, or going back, I would tell myself, is just to believe in yourself. And that losing weight is not magically going to make you love yourself. It's not magically going to make all your problems go away. It's loving yourself right now and taking the steps you need to live your best life. So for me, I used to think, once I lost all this weight, then I'll start loving myself. That's where my problems were. It was just with weight loss. And as I lost weight, I found, why am I not happy? Like, how is this not magically making me happy? And I finally learned, it had to come from within, from loving myself, respecting myself, and that's what makes you happy and love yourself. It's not the weight, it's not the weight loss. It doesn't matter what weight you're at, we all need to learn to love ourselves right now. And if you're unhappy with your weight or you want to change it, do it because it's going to better your life or your happiness or your well-being, not to make it so you love yourself or you think you will look better or...
So true. So
that's how
true.
I tell myself.
I love that, I love that, I love that. And so today we're going to do a workout. We're going to do an easy HIIT. So Jacqueline's going to be doing the modifications, and if you are a little bit more along in your fitness journey, you can follow me. But we really just wanted to show you two sides that everyone can do a HIIT workout, because I feel like when you were just starting off in your journey and you heard the word HIIT or weights or something like that, were you completely intimidated by it?
Yeah, if I watched a video and be like, we're gonna do a quick HIIT session, burn fat blast, I was like, nope, not me, I can't do that. So then I didn't, because I think your confidence, at least for me, was kind of low then too. Right. So you think right away, I can't do it. Right. And instead of trying different things that you can do or modifying it, you just completely give up and not do it.
So true. So what were some of the first workouts that you did?
So I started at home, doing at-home walking aerobic videos, and it was just in my living room by myself because I didn't want anyone to see me at that point. And it was 5 minutes every day. I was like, you have to do something for 5 minutes.
You guys, that's so motivating right there. I know that every single person watching this video can do 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's all it takes to start. And once you start, you just keep going and keep progressing.
Walking in place.
Yeah.
And the more you move, the more you're like, oh, my body can move, I can do this, and you get more confidence in yourself.
Love that. So never look at the really hard workouts to challenge yourself, because you can get really discouraged when you look at stuff that you can't do, and then you'll give up. So that's a huge, huge piece of advice right there. On that note, we should probably get into the workout.
Yeah, let's keep going.
Click this video, they're like, all right, they're talking too much. So we're gonna get right into the workout. So we're just gonna do a couple of moves, and you guys can repeat this, as many times as you want, maybe 3 or 4 times for a total workout for a day. If you guys just want to do it one time for 5 minutes, like Jacqueline said, all it takes is 5 minutes. So, all right, we're just gonna do some basic moves. I'm gonna be doing the harder, and she's gonna be doing the easier. So the first one are some squat jumps right here. So I'm gonna be blasting off that squat, and Jacqueline's just gonna be sitting back and squatting at her own pace. Again, totally doesn't have to be rushed in this. If you guys want to go slower, totally fine. Or if you guys want to add a little bit of a jump too and come up.
That's how I started
to a calf
before
raise.
I started jumping.
Okay, cool. So a calf raise just right there. Cool. All right, let's get into it. Just a couple of seconds.
legs already.
I know, right? I actually hate squat jumps, but they're one of the most effective ways to burn fat, burn calories, and at the same time, burn fat, but tone your booty like crazy.
Yes.
Yes. Make sure you're sitting back in that squat, lifting off your heels. All right, 10 more seconds.
You can always go low, not as far.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean, oh my God.
Well, I'm
It's also really hot in here. All right, you guys can take a breather right here, but our next move is gonna be some jumping jacks. So I'm gonna be right here, and then Jacqueline's gonna show you the modified version. Yeah, all right.
Ready?
So, here we go. So if you wanna explain how you started doing those before jumping jacks?
Yeah, so jumping jacks were always really hard for me, jumping. So I just kind of did a step touch. You can go a little slower. And then as you can, move your arms up or just go up. That's kind of what I did. Up or to the side. Or just move your legs.
Yeah, just keep moving. All about it is just really keeping it moving. It doesn't even matter really what you're doing. If you just want to do this, that works too. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. All right, the next move we're gonna do are some jump lunges. So I'm gonna be over here doing this. And Jacqueline, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but my modification for this would be here, or even up to your toes.
Because even I found the movement doing this and then coming up and doing was a lot. So just staying down gets that thing, make sure you're straight, gets that burn.
And if you do want to add a little bit of jump, you can just stay right here too. Come like 1 or 2 inches off the ground. All right, here we go. Great for your legs, great cardio.
And even this one, you'll definitely feel the burn, I promise.
For sure.
And then you can switch.
You guys can also move your arms in this too. Great. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Definitely
Really
feel the legs. Yes.
All right, so I want to know, if I was doing a burpee, what would your modification be?
So when I was starting off, and I'm not very good at burpees, but I would go here, touch, and stand up. Reach up, and touch up. That's how I began.
Okay, cool. Would you go up, and then have you gone to the next step yet and just step back?
Yes.
Okay.
I got another one too.
And so just not adding any jump to it.
Right.
Okay. Should we do some of those? All right. Ready? Starting in 3, 2, here we go.
And this one.
I hate burpees, but I love them.
I know. So either one.
All right. Few more. Let's do 2 more. And relax. Woo! All right, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed those 4 quick moves that you guys can really do anywhere. You can really do them anywhere. All you need is yourself. And again, we showed you every level of that. So, hope you guys really enjoyed this video.
Thank you for having me.
Seriously, you're so inspiring, and I hope you guys take a little bit of motivation from Jacqueline because she has an amazing story. Make sure to follow on your Instagram if you want to shout out your socials.
My Instagram is @Jacqueline844. My YouTube is Jacqueline's Journey. So I'd love to have you guys come on over and say hello there.
Yay! Well, thank you so much, Jacqueline.
Thank you.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye.
Bye.